Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to send a photo or video from camera roll as a snap on Snapchat. To start this tutorial, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once on Snapchat, try creating a snap and then click on Explore on the bottom right. In here, use the search bar and then search for full green screen. And then in here, you will need to look for any of the green screens. Just click on it. Then, the next step is to click any from your photos in your camera roll or your gallery. Once you have chosen one, you can now click on Send To. In here, you can send this as your story or to any of your contacts over at Snapchat. And then, once you do that, they should now all be delivered to the other person. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.